Hi, my name is Evelyn, and I've been, for the last 5 years, having terrible issues with my neck. I really let it get to me emotionally, and I came here by accident, actually, because my husband was looking up actually massages, and we wound up here. I'm so happy I did. I'm coming back to life. I'm feeling normal again, and I just came back from vacation, and I had a wonderful time, relaxation, and hopefully thinking about how happy I am in the future.
And it was post-surgical, right?
I did go through surgery thinking
in the neck.
In the neck, thinking that it's gonna help me, and it didn't help me at all.
Okay.
So the only thing that really made me feel hopeful was the chiropractor.
Great.
And I've been pretty happy ever since.